Hey my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm back with a new video. I hope you all are good. I'm also pretty very much. And this is a new tutorial on fashion figure for beginners. I hope this helps. So at first I will draw the outline of how to pose the model. It's helped me to create any style model poses. You can also use this technique. And friends, sorry to say that my video will be shake because I record the video without any preparation. Suddenly I think record it. Anyway, I am not good teacher. I'm just sharing with you how do I draw freehand fashion figure. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, let me know through comments. Sometimes I get very scared when I talk about myself. Take it easy, just do it and practice, more practice. So friends, I also suggest you think it and do it. My draw is almost finished. So friends, thank you so much for watching the video and listening my chick. Bye bye. See you next video. Have a good day.